Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. I'll be doing a quick breakfast, cornmeal porridge in my Dezin electric pot. So I hope you all are blessed. I hope you are doing good wherever you are. Stay safe, stay blessed, and of course, stay motivated. Put God first. All right. Keep on watching, guys, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, guys. All right. Keep on watching. This is the cornmeal. I already mixed it up. I'm not gonna put much stuff in there. So that's the cornmeal. It's just for me. Yeah. So I'll be putting some mixed spice. Yeah, this is so good in porridge. It has everything in it. So I'll be using mixed spice and I'll be using Lasco. This is all I'll be using. Alright guys, so keep on watching Lasco milk vanilla. Alright. Faith in Jesus. Okay. Okay guys, I'm gonna add the Alaska milk. I already mixed it in the same bowl. So mix it up. Nice and creamy, guys. Okay guys, I'm gonna add a little brown sugar, just a little bit, and add a little more of the mixed spice. That should be good. Okay guys, nice and creamy. Okay guys, it's almost ready. I'm just gonna add a little salt, enhance the flavor, not too much. That flavor to enhance the taste. You know, when you add little salt, just a little bit more. Okay guys, so that's the porridge. I'm just gonna put it in a bowl and show you in a minute. Alright guys, thanks again for watching guys. Alright guys, that's how I want it, not too thick. It's not watery either. Nice and creamy. Okay guys, so that's breakfast porridge. a hard-boiled egg, and a plum. Alright guys. Alright guys, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Stay safe, stay blessed, and of course stay motivated. Alright, peace out. Remember, put God first. Alright? Alright, have a productive day, everyone. Thanks again for watching.